Uh, this is the 555 timer IC, which is wired in the astable mode. It this works as an oscillator. It's a 555 timer based oscillator that uh, produces square wave or rectangular wave pattern. And this oscillator it oscillates in the audio frequency range into the ultrasonic range. So that is the frequency of the range of frequency that can that this particular IC can operate. It's from the audio frequency range into the ultrasonic. So uh, this is the output. The high output high is it is determined by the blinking of this LED, and the frequency of oscillations of the frequency by which this uh, a stable multivibrator it works depends on these two resistors and this capacitor. And you can adjust the oscillation by changing this capacitor by and the timing of the oscillator can be changed. This is a free running oscillator, and it doesn't need an external trigger. You only need to connect the power supply. It runs automatically. So we'll just look how it works. So this is fully wired, and I'll just connect it to the circuit. So this is how it works by blinking of the LEDs. So we'll just change this capacitor to another capacitor, by which we can adjust the rate of blinking of this LED. We'll change this capacitor. So I'm just putting this another value and reconnecting this power supply. So we'll get another frequency of blinking of this LED. It blinks very slowly right now because the the capacitor value that we have put here is a little bit higher. It's a higher value than the previous capacitor that was already there. So it blinks at a slower rate. So we'll just change another value. I will place it with another capacitor and reconnect the power supply. So this LED blinks a little faster because the capacitor is of a lower value than the previous one. It charges and discharges at a more increased speed. It charges and discharges with an very early. So the rate of blinking of LED is higher. We'll just change it to another value. So this blinks very fast. It's very the oscillation rate is higher. The frequency is also higher. So this is a very useful circuit that can be used in many of the electronic circuits. uh, so we can use this circuit for many type of timing and regulator circuits. So this is a very interesting circuit that you can build. Thank you.